Hey everybody, do you want to see how I created this look? It's supposed to be a halo-ish braid, but when I was plaiting the ends it wasn't long enough, so let me do a twist around and you can see what I did. And the next clip will show you how I actually created this style. Don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and there's much more hair videos to come because it's back on this channel as well. So yes, as you can see, that's how it is. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments in the feedback, leave me some feedback in the comments, and yeah, this is it. This has come out good though. This is the first attempt with extensions as well. So, and if you didn't see it properly, I use definition braid. It has a different kind of texture to the Marley hair, so that's why I thought I'd use it. But yeah, the next clip you'll see how I created this. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Yes, I'm back again with a voiceover. My hair is parted into two sections, and now I'm taking out the bigger section because the sections are not even. As you see from the front, I slanted the parting line, as in it's not from the middle but from a slant. And now I am doing a flat twist cornrow in my hair in this section. This video might be a little bit long, so I might not do a voiceover over the whole of this video, so you might just hear music towards the end because I don't really know what else to say in this video right now. But I'll just describe to you what I'm doing when it's happening in this video. I'm doing the flat twist in my hair from the top of my head to the bottom of my head, where the bottom of my head is my neck. So I'm doing it from the top to the back of my head. And I use a hairband to secure it so it doesn't get loose because it's flat twist, and because my hair is so afro and bushy, it gets loose easy, so I had to use a hairband to secure it, as you can see me putting it there. Yeah, a little bump there, trying to like tuck it in, but it's like, yeah, because the middle of my head is a bit odd. It's like the most natural afro bit of my hair. I'm guessing around the edges of my hair is more stretched out because of the hairstyles that I do, but the middle of my hair is more tough. Yeah, now I'm taking out the other side of my hair to do the flat twist cornrow in this section. Oh, look look what happened. I tried to move the mirror to the other side so I could see what I'm doing, and yes, it dropped. Typical things that happen to me when I'm recording videos, but to be honest, I could cut it out, but it's like these things happen, so I need to just keep it in. And plus I can't bother to edit it. It's too much technical things to edit that bit out, and plus it goes with the flow of the video and it shows that things do happen, so then you just leave it in. Random things keep on happening to me in videos all the time. A recent one, the backdrop dropped off the wall because it was sealed by sellotape, and this is dropping. The recent one with a T-zone nose strip, it didn't even work, but you know what, it's a random thing. It's not too embarrassing that I don't want to show it on a video, so I'll just leave it in. So I've just done the second side of my hair, flat twist from the top of my head to the back of my head. Now using the hairband to secure it again. You like my earrings? Got my earrings from my ebony box as well. Check them out, details in description box. I'm just showing you what it looks like. This is not finished yet, halfway through, spinning around. This is the hair that I used, definition braid, color 1. I wanted 1B, but I couldn't find it. This hair is hard to find. I went to so much shops to find it and I just couldn't find it, apart from this shop that I found. But yeah, and now I'm adding this hair to the end of my hair and plaiting it in. It's very easy. I say very easy, but yeah, you'll see how I do it. I wouldn't say it's a struggle, yeah, because I'm not used to using this hair. It was a bit and my arms are weak as well, but yeah, I got through it anyway. I completed the hairstyle, and you'll see the hairstyle I completed in the end as well, and 2 ways how I have it, so to say. So yeah, I'm just plaiting this hair to the end. This hair's kind of okay, but I miss the Marley hair, because the Marley hair has better hair texture that is similar to my hair texture than this hair, but it's just a bit softer and a bit straighter, this hair that I'm using. So I thought to try it because I knew it's got a different texture, so I thought try it. I might buy it again, or might just stick to Marley hair, because Marley hair is much more realistic hair to my natural Afro hair. But yeah, I'm just plaiting it down. Took forever. I'm thinking in my head, this is taking too long to plait down. Oh my gosh. But yeah, soon finish. Yep, soon finish, like I said. And this video is sped up only 2 times, only because it originally was like 18 minutes, and I had to cut it down a little bit because I know people don't like watching long videos. So cut it down a little bit, and you don't really miss out too much. You still see it. So yeah, I'm just showing you that I'm plaiting it to the end, and that I put elastic band, a black elastic band at the end as well. Look at it. Showed it in my hands. So yeah, it's so weird, but I'm watching so much other YouTubers videos, and they're giving me inspiration to do other hairstyle videos, which I plan to do when I've got time, so to say, because my lifestyle's a bit busy. I need inspiration, because if I wasn't busy, I'd have more ideas in my head, but I'm just getting inspiration from other hair YouTuber videos. So be it. I'm showing you what I can do. This is it. You can create it as well. It's giving you ideas. It's a simple hairstyle. Didn't really take too long. I didn't time it properly, but it didn't take too long anyway. So simple. So now I'm just doing the other one. I'm just adding the hair to the other section. Yeah, just plaiting it down. Stay woke earrings. You know, I like my big earrings. Anybody that sells big earrings, want me to wear their big earrings in my videos, let me know. Don't think anyone's really gonna get this, but yay. I'll just drop it in anyway, because I like to wear big earrings, because I've got a big head, and when you've got certain hairstyles, when you've got big earrings on, it kind of like distracts from your big head. So just putting it out there, and this is what I've just noticed for myself as well. So yay. Plaiting this one down. Like I say, it's taking forever. My arms are still kind of weak and lazy, but I got through this anyway. Luckily this didn't take a whole day. That would have been so funny if it did. But yeah, hope everybody's doing good. YouTube and its changes, not happy about it, but to be honest, it could be worse. So let me just do or continue doing what I want to do, and I will get monetization eventually. Not rushing because of that. Like I said, busy lifestyle, fitting things in, still doing what I like to do, so I ain't really gonna change. It's a shame I couldn't continue with the other hair channel, but I'm thinking, why am I doing that separate hair channel, not getting much from it? YouTube's still gonna make money from those videos, so let me just keep everything in one place, so to say. And it's more easier as well, because on that hair channel I wasn't really active, so to say. So I know I'm all active on this channel, so let me just stick on this channel and do everything on this channel as well. So yeah, I'm busting some moves, and now you're gonna see how I finish this hairstyle look as well. I will explain it, but I think by you watching it, you can properly see what I do, because sometimes talking and explaining is just too much. So just observe what I'm doing. I'm using pins now to secure the ends of my hair. Like I don't know if I said it in the beginning, I wanted this to be like a halo style braid, but I think because I didn't plait the hair long enough so it could wrap around across my head, so it didn't really work out properly. But I know next time to plait that extension hair longer so it can wrap around my head, to create a proper halo braid hair, but this still came out good considering it's the first time me doing it, the first time me attaching hair like that to my hair, so, and using different hair as well. So the overall look, I'm very surprised. So yeah, I'm washing my hair like nearly every week now. Recently I've been doing co-washes because I've not got time to do the proper washing my hair, conditioning my hair, yada yada yada. So I just did the conditioner in my hair and that's it, because it's either that or just not wash my hair for 2 weeks or so. But plus I'm experimenting as well. I'm seeing how my hair is co-washing, even though I used to co-wash my hair like a year or so ago, but now I'm just doing it again. But now I'm going to use different products eventually. So yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, it's not finished yet. Look, I've got to tuck that plait in, or tuck that end in, shall I say. What do you think? Can you create it? It's a simple look. Can you create this look? Do a video on this hair look. I got inspired by another YouTuber, I can't remember her name, but like I said, I'm really watching natural hair YouTubers more to get inspiration. So yeah, thanks for watching. I think I'm just doing a little walk around so you can see this hair, how it looks. And this is how it is when I left it out. I think it's better when I left it out actually. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're old or not new, thanks for returning. Show me some love. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments in the comments box. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.